Welcome back, students. So today we're going to discuss 20 questions in alligation and mixture. So let I start with the alligation mixture concept. First question: in what proportion must rice at rupees 310 per kg be mixed with the rice at rupees 3.60 per kg so that the mixture be worth rupees 3.25 per kg? The basic concept of alligation mixtures, I already posted a video. So if you don't know the basic concept, you can refer those video. Okay, here I'm going to explain only the questions, right? So in this concept, let me take the alligation diagram. Sometimes it's called as butterfly diagram. So the minimum value, the price. Okay, so the first thing is price, average, okay, speed, all these things should be taken at the top of the diagram. That means price per kg, per liter, okay, and average 50 kg is the average, or 25 is the average age, and speed 60 kilometer per hour. So as per hour, as per kg, 1 kg, as per 1 liter, those price, everything should be written at the top. In bottom, how many kg, how many students, how many hours he was traveled, all those things should be written at the bottom. Okay, so now here price should be right at the top. Cheaper price I will write here 3.10, and next one is 3.60, and the mixture average should be right at here 3.25. I want the ratio. That's what the question. Ratio means you can neglect this decimal points. It will not create any impact. Okay, price means you keep that. Okay, if it is ratio, no need to take the decimal points. So what is the difference between 310 and 325? The difference between 310 and 325 is 15, and the difference between 325 and 360, 35, right? So 7:3 is the right answer. So 7:3, option D is the right answer. Next question, same concept. Let's take the diagram, right? Okay, now plot the value. The minimum value is 90 and higher value is 97, and the average is 94. The mixture average is 94%. Okay, so as usual, the difference is 4 here, and here it was 3. So if I mix the first solution 3 part, means I need to mix the second solution 4 parts. That's what the concept. Okay, now there is an additional one, that is 21 liter. What is this 21 liter? They says that maybe sometimes they says that first solution is 21 liter or second solution is 21 liter, but here they says that 21 liter of mixture. So after mixing this, it was 21 liter. So after mixing it, it was 3 plus 4, 7 part. So in part, 7 part is equal to 21 liters. Okay, what is the question? How much is the quantity of the first solution? So first solution is 3 part. So 3 part is equal to how many liters? So simple, just cancel this. 7 3 times 21, 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 liters is the right answer. Next question. In what ratio should water be mixed with soda costing rupees 12 per liter so as to make a profit of 25% by selling the diluted liquid at rupees 13.75 per liter? So in this question, as usual, draw a diagram. First of all, we need to take the values. First plot the value 12 per liter. See, in one vessel it was soda, and in another vessel it was water. Okay, now we're going to mix this soda and water and make a diluted liquid. Okay, right. So soda cost is 12 per liter. So I write here 12. What is the cost of water? Water does not have price, right? So water price is 0. Okay, so who is going to mix? They will never buy water from the shop. They will get water from the pipes free, right? So that is 0. And Next one is 13.75 per liter after mixing. But here, don't take 13.75 here. There is one more thing we need to do. This is wrong. Okay, why it was wrong means there is a fact in alligation mixtures. That is, if you take a cost price, the whole diagram should be cost price. If this is cost price means it also should be cost price, and this is also cost price. If it will be selling price means all the three values should be in selling price. If you're talking about water, everything should be talking about water, or milk, everything should be talking about milk. So that's what the fact in alligation mixture. Here there is a new two words was given. What is the new two words? Look at this. The profit of 25% and it was a selling price. So these kind of words, if you see in the allocation mixes, be cautious before getting answer. Okay, so don't take this 13.75 because it is selling price. Selling price is 13.75. So always I told you that cost price is 100% and 25% profit means it will be 125%. So 125% is 13.75. This is selling price, but we need to write only cost price. Okay, so cost price is what? First pass multiply this 1375 into 100 divided by 125. So you will get 11. So here write 11. So now as usual take the difference 12 and 11. What is the difference? 1. Right here. Okay, these two difference I need to write here, and these two difference I need to write here. That's what the concept. Okay, right. And 0 and 11, the difference is 11. So 11 is to 1 is the right answer. Option B. Is it clear now? Simple. Right. Next question. Two containers of equal capacity are full of mixture of oil and water. Okay, so look at this. In this oil and water mixture, that is in part of 4:7. And another one, 7:11. 7:11. This is also oil and water. Now you're going to mix this and they doesn't give the resultant one. Okay, please be careful. If I want to draw this butterfly diagram, I need this value, and this value. Then only I will get the ratio. Or I need the ratio if any one of this is not given. Okay, but here I got only two values. Okay, two vessels only they are telling given, but they doesn't given the resultant value. So better we don't take this diagram. We can get the answer using the equation method itself. Okay, so look at this. The ratio of oil and water is 4:7 and 7:11. Now we're going to separate the oil and water. Okay, so if I want to write oil, totally 7 plus 4 is what? 7 plus 4 is 11 part. Yes, 11 part. In out of 11, how much is oil? 4 part is oil. And look at this 7 plus 11. Right, 7 plus 11 is what? 18 part. Out of 18, oil is 7 part. Same likewise, I'm going to write water also. So out of 11 part, water is 7 part, and out of 18 part, water is 11 part. Okay, just add these two values and these two values and take the ratio. You will get the answer. Separated oil and water. How much is oil and how much is water? Okay, so what is the ratio for 11 and 18? 11 is a prime number, right? So 198, right? And 11 into 18, 4 into 18. So it will be 149. And here 198. If you add these two numbers, you will get 247. So I got two values, right? So just write this answer 149 over 198. This is one ratio, and another ratio is 247 divided by 198. If I want to find the ratio, just cancel these numbers. So our answer is 149 is to 247. So option A is the right answer. Is it clear? Oil and water. Right. Let's move to the next question. Two vessels contain spirit and water mixed respectively the ratio of 1:3, 3:5. Find a ratio in which these are to be mixed to get a new mixture in which the ratio of spirit to water is 1:2. So here, comparing to the previous question, here all the three ratio data is given, right? So let's take the diagram. One is 1:3. Here I need to tell one more thing. This is one vessel and another vessel is 3:5. Now I'm going to mix these two vessels and the resultant should be 1:2. So 1:3, 3:5, 1:2 don't take as it is. Already I told you that if you are talking about cost price, everything should be cost price. If you are talking about the selling price, all the value should be selling price. Same likewise, this is a mixture. This is not a separate thing. One is inside this vessel, one is spirit and another one is water. One is spirit and water mixing. Already it was mixed, again we're going to mix this. Okay, so be clear in this idea. So if it is a mixed already, okay, if you are talking about spirit, take only spirit. If you're talking about water, take only water. Okay, right, let's take this. I'm going to convert everything into spirit. Let's talk about spirit alone. Okay, right. Totally 1 plus 2 is 3. Out of 3, the spirit is only one part. Here, out of 4, spirit is only one part. And out of 8, spirit is only 3 part. Right? So, compare these two things, 1/4 and 3/8. And the resultant should be 1/3. Now, just subtract these numbers. 3/8 minus 1/3 and 1/3 minus 1/4. Okay, right. So 8 and 3, what is the LCM? It was 24, right? Right, I will write here. That is 24. So 8 3 times 3 times 9 and 8, 9 minus 8 is 1/24. And here, if you subtract these two things, 12. So LCM is 12 and 3 4 times 4. 4 minus 3 is 1, again 1/12. So it will be 12:24. That is 1:2. That's what the right answer. Is it correct? Right. Next question. The price of a pen and pencil is ₹35. The pen was sold at 20% profit and the pencil at a 10% loss. If in the transaction a man gains ₹4, how much is the cost price of the pen? Here I need to tell one small thing. I can do this problem in alligation method, but I need three things. That means 20% profit, 10% loss, and also the final profit or loss should, if it is given, means I can take this method, but that is not given. Only 2% was given. The overall percentage was not given, or the overall ratio also not given. So this method will not work out here. So instead of that, we can use the another method, that is the basic linear equation. Okay, just write this. Let's take pen is X and pencil is Y, because both are starts with P. So I will take X and Y. X plus Y is equal to 35 rupees. Right? And look at this. Always they will given only profit and loss in your question. Actually, this is a profit and loss question, not an allegation question. Okay, so profit and loss. But we should convert this into selling price. Otherwise, you will never get the answer. Not only in this concept, always, whenever they given a profit and loss, you need to convert and think in the selling price. 20% means cost price is 100%. Okay, and profit is 20%. So selling price will be 120%. So I need to take 120% of X plus loss is 10%, means it will be 90% of Y is equal to gain. Gain is 4. That means profit is 4. Profit 4 means what is selling price? Already 35 is cost price plus 4 is gain. So it should be 39. Okay. in next step I need to write, I can take this as equation 1, but equation 2 is not structured still now. So just write it down. 120x plus 90y is equal to 39. These percentages will come this side as 0, right? So this is equation 2. Just solve this equation 1 and equation 2, you will get the answer. But before that, you can cancel this 0. Okay, and you can solve this, you will get the answer what is the x value. So I hope you guys, this is not an alligation method, so this is linear equation. Just solve first and second equation, you will get answer as 25. X is equal to 25, right? Let's move to the next question. A bonus of rupees 9,85,000 was divided among 300 workers of a factory. Each male worker gets 5,000 rupees and each female worker gets 2,500 rupees. Find the number of male workers in the factory. So I want to explain this in two different manner. One is in average formula, another one is in alligation, because we are here for learning alligation and mixtures, right? In average, we had a formula. Just I overview that. Average, weighted average. Average is equal to N1 A1 plus N2 A2 divided by N1 plus N2. This is the formula. So if you want to get the answer, just write 9,85,000. This is total, not average. So if I want to average, I need to divide it by 300 is equal to N1. Number of male is not given. Let's take X. Okay, average is 5,000 plus N2. Female also I don't know, but total there are 300 men. Okay, people are there. Out of 300, X is men means the remaining person will be female into 2,500 over the number of person is 300. Okay, cancel these numbers and solve it, you will get the right answer. This is one way of getting answer using average formula. But in alligation and mixers, you can get the answer very fast, okay, and easily. Look at, take the butterfly formula diagram. Okay, right now just we're going to write the values. One side it was male and another side it was female, right? Male average value is 5,000. When I start this session, I told you that whenever it is an average problem, we can take the per person average value in the top, number of person at the bottom, correct? So 5,000 is for male average value and for female 2,500. Okay, and here I don't know the average value, right? So let's find out the average value. Only one step. Sometimes your question they will given the average value itself. 985,000 divided by 300. Okay, cancel the zeros first. Okay, in 9 I had 3 and in 8 2 times 6 and 25, that is 8 times, right? And remaining 110, 3 times 9 and 0.33. Okay, so don't take this points. Let's take 3 2 8 3. So this is what the amount. Okay, now just take the difference and find out the answer. That's it. Very simple concept. So if you take the difference for 5,000 and 3283, you will get 3,200. So 1,717. Okay, and 2,500, 3,000. You will get, no, wait. Wait, I will calculate it. I will give you the right way answer. Yes. So yes, correct value only 1,717. Okay, and here 782. Okay, now look at this. That's it. I want to find how many male workers are there. If you know, again take the ratio, you can do it. Otherwise, just write 782 plus 1,717 is the total ratio. Out of this, I want only 782 parts. Okay, how many members are there? 300. If you solve this, you can get the answer. Okay, but if the numbers are easy, it was very easiest one comparing to the alternate way. So comparing to this was easy way. Okay, so this is the way we need to find the answer. So you will get the value 94, right? Actually, wait a minute. 1782 17 it was easy. 1717. Yeah, it was 2000 2500 2500 782 and 300. So now look at this, very easy, right? Cancel this. Okay, and 25, it was 372. Okay, now you need to solve it. You will get the answer 94. So this is the way of solving this problem. Okay, let's move to the next question. Right, so 400 students took a mock exam in Delhi. 60% of the boys and 80% of the girls cleared the cutoff in the examination. If the total percentage of students qualifying is 65%, how many girls appeared in the examination? So as usual, just draw this. Okay, take the value. One is 60%, another one is 80%, and here overall 65%. So difference is 5, and here difference is 15. It will be 3:1. Okay, so the total students is 400. So total part is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 part is equal to 400. They want to find the girls. Girls is 1 part. 1 part is equal to 100. That's what the answer. Right. Next question. Same kind of question. Just do it faster. We're going to get answer quickly. Right. Just plot the values. Here 20 percentage, another one is 50 percentage, and overall is 25%. How much to the bottle did steal? Which one is steal here? He was stolen. This was the stolen form, right? And here it was 50, right? So what is the difference? 5% and 25. Right? So 5:1. So they want how much of the bottle did he steal? 5 plus 1 is 6 part. Out of 6, stolen part is 5 into 100. Okay, so it will be 83.33%. That means 1 over 6 is what percentage? 16.66. 1 part is 16, means then 5 part will be 83.33%. Simple. Right, let's move to the next question. Two vessels contain a mixture of spirit and water. The first vessel, and the ratio of spirit to water is 8:3. The second vessel, 5:1. Okay, a 35-liter cask is filled from these vessels so as to contain a mixture of spirit and water in the ratio of 4:1. How many liters are taken from the first vessel? As usual, first we need to draw the diagram. Right, first draw the diagram. Already I told you that when it was 8:3, 5:1, resultant is 4:1, we need to spoke about either the spirit or water. So convert everything into spirit or water. Let's take spirit. Okay, so 8 plus 3 is what? 11. In that, spirit is 8 part. 5 plus 1 is what? 6. In that, 5 is spirit. 4 plus 1 is what? 5. In that, 4 part is spirit. Correct? So just take these values: 8 over 11, 5 over 6, and 4 over 5. Right? Now, as usual, what we need to do? 5 over 6 minus 4 over 5. And here 4 over 5 minus 8 over 11. Correct? Just simplify this, you will get the right answer. So 6 and 5, what is the LCM? 30. 6 into 5 times 5 into 5 is 25, and 5 into 6, 4 into 6, 24. So here it will be 1 is by over 30, and 5 and 11 is 55, right? 11 11 44, and 5 8 5 are 40. So it will be 4 over 55. Right, just cancel these numbers for this ratio or equate it. 5 6 times 30 and 11 times. So 6 4s are 24. 11:24 is the final ratio. Correct? Look at this carefully. In this, a 35-liter cask is filled from these vessels. From these two vessels, finally it was 35 liters, filled with the 35 liters. Okay, so totally it was 35 liters. And what is the total part? 11 plus 20, 24, that is also 35. I need to find the first one. First one is 11 part. Okay, 35 getting cancelled, so 11 liters is the right answer. I hope you guys understand this. Both are 35, so be clear in that which 35 we are taking. So this is the question 35. This is ratio. Overall ratio is 35. Out of that, 11 part we need to find. Right? Let's move to the next question. Two liquids A and B are in the ratio 5:1 in the container 1 and 1:3 in container 2. In what ratio should the contents of these two containers be mixed so as to obtain the mixture A and B in ratio 1:1? So as usual, same job. 5:1, I can write 5/6. Okay, directly I can write here. And second one 1:3, that is nothing but 1/4. And final should be 1/2. Correct? So subtract this 1/4 minus 1/2 and 1/2 minus 5/6. Your ratio is what? LCM 2 and 4 is 4. Okay, 1 minus 2 times 2. So it will be 1/4. Don't take the negative symbol. Okay, because we don't know which one is the bigger number and you don't have time also. Just subtract this and don't take the negative signs. Okay, and here 2 1 6, 6 is the LCM, and 2 3 times 3 5. So here also it will become in the negative sign. Okay, so 2/6, that is 1/3. Correct? So 1/4, 1/3. Let's take this 1/4 is to 1/3. If you cross multiply this, 3:4 will be the answer. Option D is the right answer. Correct? Okay, next question. What will be the ratio of petrol and kerosene in the final solution formed by mixing petrol and kerosene that are present in 3 vessels? Look at this. Still now we have seen only for 2, but here they are dealing with 3 vessels of equal capacity in ratio. Ratio was given. So as usual, already we had the second problem or third problem, we had done the same concept for 2 vessels, but here it was 3 vessels. See, one is petrol, another one is kerosene. Let's write petrol and kerosene in different forms. Okay, petrol. See, overall 4 plus 1 is 5 parts. Out of that, petrol is 4 parts. This is petrol. And second ratio, 5 plus 2 is 7 parts. Out of that, petrol is 5 parts. This is petrol. Out of 6 plus 1, 7 parts. 6 parts is petrol. Correct? And in kerosene, same. Out of 5, 1 part is kerosene. And out of 7, 2 part is kerosene. Out of 7, 1 part is kerosene. So just add these values separately, these values separately. This is petrol, this is kerosene. Take ratio, you will get the answer. That's it. Simple. Right? 577. What is the LCM? It will be 35. Okay, and over what will be the numerator? Here also 35. What will be the numerator? We need to take. Okay, so 83 and here 22. So we got 2 ratios, 83/35 and another one is 22 divided by 35. 35 getting cancelled. 83:22 is the right answer. Got it? Next question. A drum contains 40 liters of whiskey. 4 liters of whiskey is taken out and replaced by soda. This process is carried out twice further. How much whiskey is now contained by the container? 2 things I need to tell here. One is the process is repeated. Okay, if the replacement was happened once, I can draw a butterfly diagram and get the answer. But here, this replacement was done twice. Already one time and then twice. 3 times it was happened. So 3 times I need to change. I will not do that. So better we can use the formula for getting answer. There is a formula is given for the repeated process. That is final quantity is equal to A into 1 minus B over A power n. This is what the formula. In this formula, this A is nothing but initial quantity, and B is replacement, and N is number of number of times, okay, or number of iteration, right? So in this totally A is what? A is nothing but, we had 40 liters, right? 40 liters of whiskey, that is A. So in formula you will write 40, and 1 minus B is what? B is equal to 4 liters is replacement, 4, and 40. How many times? This is what the second thing I need to tell you. How many times it was repeated? Here they says that twice further. So we clearly need to understand twice further means 2 more times. That means already 1 time was over, then 2 more times. So totally 3 times it should happen. So N is equal to 3. Don't take 2. Okay. So just write 40, 36 over 40 power 3. So I can write this 40 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. So if I cancel this 9 by 10, that should be written in 3 times. So 9 cube is what? 729 into 4 divided by 100. So I can cancel this. That's it. Okay. So you will get the values. 729 into 4 is nothing but 2916 divided by 100 is nothing but what? 29.16. okay, this is what the answer, final answer. So that only formula, this is the final model actually. If you know this formula, you can get the answer quickly, right? Next one. 8 liters are drawn from a cask full of wine and is filled with the water. This operation is performed 3 more times here. The ratio of the quantity of wine now left in cask to that of the water is 16:65. How much wine the cask hold originally? So here the question, look at this, everything is given in upside down. So number of performance is 4 times, N is 4. A we need to find, okay. B is what? 8 liters drawn, okay, and ratio is given, okay, that is 16/65. But if you want to spoke about the wine, you need to write about only wine. So convert this into 16 plus 65, 70, 80, 81. So total 81. In that 81 part, if you add this 81 part, out of that wine is only 16 part. 65 part is water. Is it right? Right. So that's what the final one. So write the formula. Don't need to write A. Okay. So formula is, don't write this initial A. Just write the remaining thing. 1 minus B by A power n. This is enough for getting answer. Okay. So just write 1 minus, what is B? 8 over A. I don't know A. How many times? 4 times. Is equal to 16/81. Next step. What we need to do the next step. Look at this. How to solve this. This 4, first I will take only 2 this side. So it will become what? Square root. Okay. 16/81. 1 minus 8 by A. What should I write here? Square. Okay. So what is this? 16/81. 16. 4 4s are 16. 9 9s are 81. So in next step, again I take this 2 to this side. Okay, so 1 minus 8 by A is equal to root of 4 by 9. So it will become 2 by 3, right? So that is nothing but A minus 8 over A is equal to 2 by 3. So 3A minus 8 3s are 24 is equal to 2A. What will be the answer? A is equal to 24. That is the right answer, 24 liters. Got it? How to solve this question? Okay, slowly listen this. Okay, you can see once again, because it is a recorded video, it will help you to solve these kind of problems. And look at this little bit a big problem, but it is very easy. A baker had 20 liter of alcohol glycerol mixture in the ratio of 4:1 by volume. In the first round, 4 liters of the mixture is removed and replaced with glycerol. In the second round, 5 liters of the resultant solution is removed and replaced with glycerol. Finally, 10 liters of the resultant mixture is removed and replaced with the glycerol. What is the final quantity of glycerol in the mixture? This is the one more step. That means if same thing was removed and doing again and again, means we can use the iteration formula. But here it was different. 4 liters, then 5 liters, then 10 liters. So how to solve this? First, I want the final solution. Look at this. First final solution. Okay. So let's take final concentration, F1. Okay. F1 is out of 20 liters. Okay. 4:1 is the thing. Okay. In that, I'm going to take what the first round, 4 liter of mixture is removed and replaced with the glycerol. So how can we write? I can write, look at this, 80%. That means, look at this, please listen, 20 liters, out of 20 liters, 16 liters and 4 liters. I can split this into 4:1. Okay, so 16:4, that is nothing but, if I split into 5 part, so 20%. Okay, so if I split into 5 part, 4 part is what? Alcohol and 1 part is glycerol. So that means 80% is what? Alcohol. 5 part means 80%, right? So 80% is alcohol. In this alcohol, what happening there? In this alcohol, 4/20. That means what? Look at this. 4/20. Out of 20 liters, 4 liters was taken out. Okay, so 1 minus 4/20. Why I am writing like this? Please listen carefully. Okay, see, out of 20 liters, totally alcohol is what? 80%. Okay, remaining is what? Glycerol. Glycerol is out of 24. So 1 minus 4 part I'm going to taken out. Okay, so 4 liters I'm going to taken out first. Out of 24 liters. Okay, right. So this is the F1 final concentration. So I will get one final concentration. Now F2. Let I will write it in a different color. What is F2? F2 is, now I got one result, right? F1. This is the F1. From this, how much of liters? 5 liters I'm going to taken out. So 1 minus, how to write this? 5/20. Out of 20 liters I'm going to take 5 liters from this result, F1. Next, F3. Look at this. F3 is what? From F2. Now this is the resultant from F2. Okay, now I'm going to take 1 minus how many liters? 10 liters. Okay, so 10/20. Correct? So that's it. Now we're going to solve this. I want the final F3. Okay, so F3 is what? Listen. F3 is nothing but, first initially it was 80%. Okay, 80% into 1 minus 4/20. Okay, into, then I can write this 1 minus 5/20, then into 1 minus 10/20. Okay, we can easily simplify this, because 1 minus 4/20 will be the remaining number, 16/20, and here 5 means 15/20. Okay, and here 10/20. So just cancel this. What numbers you will get? 16 is 4 times, 5 times, and And if you cancel this 5 3 times, 4 times, if you cancel this 1 by 2, so our answer will be 80% into 4 by 5 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. So F is equal to 24%. That's it. Okay, so just write the 3 iterations here, then you can write like this. This is what this big question, how to solve. Okay, right. 18th question. A man buys 12 liters of liquid which contains 20% of the liquid and the rest is water. He then mixes it with 10 liters of another mixture with 31% of liquid. What is the percentage of water in the new mixture? So here it is not 31, it is 30%. Okay, a man buys 12 liters of liquid with 20%. Here only they are given 2 percentages. Third percentage final mixture was not given, so don't use the alligation diagram, just taken from this. Out of 12 liters, 20% of liquid, correct? Rest is water. What is 10%? 1.2. 20% is 2.4 liters is what? 2.4 liters is liquid, remaining is water. So out of 12, 2.4 means the 9.6. 9.6 is water. He then mixes it with 10 liters of another mixture with 30% of liquid. So there is another mixture with 10 liters. It was mixed with what? 30% of liquid. 10% is 1, 30% means 3 liters. So remaining 7 liters. Okay. What is the percentage of water in the new mixture? Okay. So as usual, this is one ratio and this is another ratio. So compare these two and give your answer in the comment box. It was an easy question. Just give answer for this. Right. Next question, 19th one. This is also easy. Already I had explained. Just I'll tell you the mechanism how to solve it. Okay, one is 7 rupees, 9 rupees, and another one is 7 rupees. Okay, 9.24. Okay, 9.24 is what? Selling, and it was gain. Already I told you that if the question had a profit as well as selling, you need to convert it into cost price. So selling price is 9.24, 10% profit means 110%. So what is 100%? That's what we need to find. So 924 divided by 110, you will get 8.4. Okay, just write 8.4 and solve this. Okay, so 9 minus 8.4 and 8.4 minus 7. Okay, and here one side they says 27 kg of sugar costing 7 rupees. Okay, mixed with, so this is 27. Okay, so this is what? That's what the question. Right, now solve this. 7, 8.4.6. Correct, and here 1.4. So remove this. So we'll get in 4, 8, and 16. So 3:7. So just write 7 part is equal to 27. 3 part is equal to what? 7. 3 and 27. Something was wrong. Wait. 9.24, 924. Yes, 8.4. Small mistake. Yes, should be in opposite side. So here it was 14 and 6. What is the ratio? 7 is to 3. So 3 part is equal to 27. 7 part is equal to what? 3 and 27, 9 times 7 into 9, 63 kg. That's it. Okay, and the final question. Yes, the last question. A person purchased a cupboard and a cot of rupees 18,000. He sold the cupboard at a profit of 20% and the cot at the profit of 30%. If his total profit was 25.83, find the cost price of the cupboard. So you can use this concept by allegation itself. Okay, see, look at this. 20% profit means 120 and 30% profit means 130. Overall 125.83 percentage profit. So 3 percentage is given means you can use this method. Okay, here 5.83 is difference, and here 125, here 130, so it will be 4.837 17, right? 4.17, that's it. So if you want to take the exact fraction, that means the ratio means, let's take 417 583, cancel the decimal point because I need only the fraction. Okay, now if you want to get answer, simple way, total part is 417 plus 583. What they want the cupboard price, which is cupboard 417. So 417 into the total value is 18000. Okay, so look at this. 518 plus 417, what is that? 518 plus 4, 583. 583. Oh my god, it was 1000. Very simple. So 1000, 417, here 18,000. It will be getting cancelled. Okay, 417 into 80, 7,506. Round off value is 7,500. That's it. Okay, I hope you guys understand the concept, how to write the equations, how to draw the diagrams in alligation mixtures. So practice a lot. It helps you to get answers in all kind of questions in alligation mixtures. I come up with the next concept in next video. All the very best. Thank you. Take care. Bye.